election isn't going to be about changing parties. It's going to be about living for every other American. That's what gives me hope.
Feel that glimmer of light again.
I don't think I was ever this interested in the voting process.
It's the first time I've ever felt compelled to be part of a movement such as this.
I want to get them back involved in this process. The grassroots level first, and then let it go. That's going to make me happy.
I've been involved in politics, I've seen politicians, but this is different.
It is the relationships that we have with one another that is our strength.
We're organizing ourselves. The campaign helps us. They're there to help us, but we're organizing ourselves.
If I want change in America, I have to be part of that change.